How to add Vantage on MetaTrader 4. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Vantage on MetaTrader 4. Vantage is a global online forex and CFD broker that provides trading services to clients around the world. Now to connect Vantage to your MetaTrader 4, first of all you need to open your MetaTrader 4 application on your mobile device. And here make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once you are logged in this interface, on the top you will find plus button. Tap on the plus button. And here if you haven't created account, you need to tap on open demo account right here and add the provided details to register for demo account. And if you already have an existing account, you need to tap on this login to an existing account option below. And in the search bar that says Find Broker, here search for Vantage. You will be presented with the search results below. Here tap on the Vantage, and once you open it, here you need to enter the login credentials. In the first box, enter your login ID, and in the second box, enter your password. Also, if you want your password to be saved for future logins, you may click on this little square box that says Save Password below the password section. And now after entering all the credentials, tap on this sign in button right here and wait for a while until it connects with your MetaTrader 4 application. Once it is successfully connected, you will find the Vantage on this page. So by following these steps, you should be able to connect Vantage to MetaTrader 4. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.